Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a product gallery with additional product variations. Transform your typical WooCommerce galleries into modern, interactive displays that grab attention and help boost sales. Let's get started. First, go to the Product Edit page where you want to add variations. Then, scroll down to the Product Data section and open the Variations tab. Next, select the variation where you want to add the gallery images. Here, you'll see the Variation Image Gallery option. This option appears when the WooGallery plugin is installed. Next, click Add Gallery Images. Here, you can add as many images as you want. If you'd like, you can also add videos. For this, you have to select one image. Then on the right side, you'll see a WooGallery video input field. Here, you can add video links from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or even use self-hosted videos to enhance your product gallery. After that, click Create New Gallery, then Insert Gallery. Now you'll see the images and videos you just added. From here, you can easily rearrange the gallery items using drag and drop, allowing you to organize them exactly the way you want. After customizing everything, click Update. Now, when visitors select a variation, they'll see the variation image gallery you added. And that's it! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.